I'm traveling across Canada for 3 weeks and I don't want to pay any baggage fees. So I'm fitting everything I can in my personal item. 13 inches by 17 inches by 6 inches and a maximum of 15.5 pounds. Do you guys think I can do it? I do. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm putting on my hat. I have one of my hair elastics in my hair. I put on one of the t-shirts that I want to take. And can you see? I have a pair of the thicker pants on that I am taking with me. One thing you all really need to know is you have to be very aware of what the weather is like where you're going. I'm going to be traveling through a few different provinces in Canada in the month of September, and the weather can literally be anything. So I have some lighter clothes, I have some warmer clothes like my fat flannel, and I do have a hoodie that I'm going to put on. All of these things I'm wearing on the plane, so it takes less room in my purse. You still hanging in there? I'm definitely gonna look like a chubby marshmallow when I get to the airport, but I'm okay with that. I wonder, am I gonna need to wear my coat too? Let's just see if this coat fits over my t-shirt, my flannel, my hoodie. Oh yeah, I got this. This is dramatically reduced how much I have to carry in my purse. Now I'm going to put on my socks and my shoes. I think I might want to give these a wash. Okay, now let's work on the clothing items that I'm taking in my purse. Originally, I bought a compression bag set that I found at Walmart because I couldn't find anything else. And then today I found some more in the section with food wrap. And then at the dollar store, I found one of these for only $3. Let's see how it fits my clothes. What I want to do is keep all of my clothes as flat as I can in here and then roll it all up to push the excess air out. This is the remaining clothes to pack. A swimsuit, 3 pairs of underwear, 4 shirts, and 3 pairs of pants. That is a lot more clothing than I thought. I'm going to have to adjust it. It needs to be above this line, and then I'm going to start rolling. Wow. That really did vacuum seal it. Well, I'm very happy to tell you that between all of the clothes that I'm wearing and everything else, it fits beautifully into my purse. I think I can fit most stuff in there, but let's see, is there any other things that I can carry with me? My mask. I do need to wear a mask while I'm on the flight. And I bought a little string so that I can just keep it around my neck. You wouldn't even know that I have that. I can do that with another item. So instead of carrying my regular wallet, which was really thick, I have this really thin one that I bought simply at the dollar store. And in here, I have all of my cards and identification. I have another separate area for cash, and I can fit my phone in there. I'll fit you in here after. See, that was easy. What else do we have? Okay, just to keep myself a little bit organized, I took one of the small sandwich size bags, a Ziploc bag. I have my eyelashes. I have 2 prescriptions, all of my makeup, my toothbrush and toothpaste. Yeah, let's throw that in. Now what I have in my next Ziploc bag is my teeny tiny hairbrush. I got a mirror with it. Pop that out. Very nice. I should have probably used that before I started this video. Okay, so what makes sense to keep with my hairbrush? All my hair elastics. So I'm just going to put them in there. And this folds up so small. Nice, small hairbrush. That's going to go in this Ziploc bag, along with my travel-sized deodorant. I originally had bought a travel-sized hairspray and a travel-sized dry shampoo to take with me. Now that's why it's important to take into consideration where you're going. I'm traveling within Canada and I'm going to be staying with family. So there is no need for me to pack body soap, shampoo, conditioner, hairspray, any other kind of hair products like that. When I land, I will get myself a small bottle of hair gel simply because they're too big to take in a carry-on or a personal item bag. Another thing that I do want to take is a little booklet. I like making notes. And this pen and my phone charger, as long as I've also got a pair of sunglasses. Well, let's fit it in and see how it looks. I'm not gonna lie, I am so incredibly impressed with myself. Everything that I showed you is either on my body or in this purse. I have my purse, I'm ready to travel. I don't have to pay for extra suitcases. I don't even have to pay for my carry-on. Does it get any better than this? So let's recap all of the stuff that I'm taking with me just on my body and my personal item, which is a really big purse.
If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe for more.